Are you tired of struggling to quilt your quilts on your home sewing machine? Do you dream of finishing your project from start to finish? Let me show you the perfect accessory for your home sewing machine that's going to help you achieve that goal. This is the Cutie frame from Grace, and it's going to work with almost every sewing machine out there. She is portable and she is sturdy, and Freemason quilting on her is so amazing and so fun. It's amazing to me that you can finish a king-size quilt on something that's so sleek you can slide it under a bed for storage. Visit QualitySewing.com or a store location near you to learn more about this easy-to-use, affordable quilting option and how you can turn that stack of quilt tops into quilts today.